Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti with the shrimp and scallops. Now first thing I like to see is the shrimp and the scallops. I got sea salt and black pepper. And we put a little oil. Okay, now we start with the scallops. And the scallops I gotta do both sides. Now I salt on this other side. Salt. Okay, black pepper. Okay, gotta be both sides salt and black pepper. The flame gotta be on medium, and we make the scallops a beautiful color. But before you turn, what do? You check. See, got a beautiful color, you turn to the other side. Okay, now we got a color on the side, and now we turn. They look good. Okay, and now we gotta make on the other side the color like this. Okay, now we take out this. It's the same like I say on the other side. And we take it out. And after this, I take it out. I gotta do the shrimp. Because what happens is you put the shrimp and the scallops together, it's too much wet and it no come nice the color. Okay, now we put a little bit more oil for the shrimp. Now everybody knows that the shrimp you cook more fast than the scallops. Okay, the scallops it's more thick, and the shrimp you not gotta cook too much neither. And now it's time to put the shrimp. And we do the same like I did the scallops. Okay, now we put a little salt on the shrimp too on the other side. And black pepper. Okay, now we turn the shrimp on the other side. See the color? It's beautiful. Because this you don't gotta cook too much. Okay, now the shrimp is ready, and now we put the scallops back. And we give a little turn it like this. You got the scallops, you gotta go every place too like that. And now it's time to put the white wine. And now we gotta leave evaporate the wine. Okay, now this everything you got a good flavor with the wine, everything. And now we gotta take it out. And I gotta put it right in this dish over here. And we need oil. I put it really on low. Okay, now I chop my garlic and the shallot. Okay, now the time of the garlic and the shallot to cook. Now it's time to put the pasta. And this you gotta cook like 11 to 12 minutes. And the pasta are salted already. Okay, now this is nice. Now we put the dry tomato. Like this you give a really good taste to everything. And now we got the flake of hot pepper. Ah, smells so good. And now it's a time to put half of cream over here. Now we leave start boil this. Okay, now this is boiled nice. Now we put back the shrimp and the scallops. Now when this start to boil a little bit more, it's a time to put the spinach. Because the spinach you don't gotta cook too much. The spinach you put inside right away, it cook. This is baby spinach. And we give a nice turn the spinach all together. Look how beautiful it look. Really good. Now the pasta is ready. But take out the pasta, little al dente. Put the gas a little high, and we leave it cook a little bit more, because the pasta is al dente. And look, oh, this is gotta be so delicious with a nice glass of wine on this. I want somebody make this. I want to know really good. Okay, everything is done. I put it right over here. I want to test. Now the shrimp I left the tail. The tail is so easy to come out. Just you squeeze, it go right straight in your mouth. Let's test. Scallops. Cook perfect. It's delicious. Chin chin. Salud.